Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili oil for siomai. First, gather your ingredients, including about 1 cup of dried red chilies, 4 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of ginger. You'll also need 2 cups of a neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed, for the best flavor. Make sure your workspace is ready with a heat-safe bowl and a fine mesh strainer for later steps. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's prepare the aromatics. Finely chop about 4 cloves of garlic and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. These will infuse the oil with wonderful flavor. Next, roughly chop 1 cup of dried red chilies, making sure to remove most of the seeds to control the heat level. Place these chopped chilies into a heat-proof bowl, then add 1 teaspoon of salt. This step is crucial for building the base flavor. It's time to infuse our oil. Heat 2 cups of a neutral oil, such as canola or grapeseed, in a saucepan until it reaches approximately 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Be careful not to overheat it. Once hot, slowly and carefully pour the oil over the chili mixture in your heat-proof bowl. Stir everything well to ensure all the ingredients are submerged. Let this mixture steep for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully develop. To finish, once the chili oil has cooled completely, strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean, airtight jar. You can discard the solids or save them for another use if you wish. Store your homemade chili oil in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 month. It's perfect for drizzling over siomai or adding a kick to any dish. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.